How to create Koho account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create a Koho account. In order to create a Koho account, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. The first thing is you have to open up a web browser, type in koho.ca, and that's going to take you to this page. While you're on this page, click on open account from the top right hand side corner, and it's going to direct you to the registration field. Here you have to go through the first step. First of all, you have to go ahead and provide an email address and then a password, or just go ahead and create a one and click the next button located right at the bottom. As you do that, it's going to take you to the other field where you need to go ahead and enter in the first name, last name, and all that, date of birth, all sort of information. After you're done with this procedure, you need to move on to the other step where you have to provide in your contact details. As per the contact details, you can either provide in your phone number or an email address, and accordingly you'll also be asked to verify your information. Once done with that, you need to go through terms and conditions. You might also be asked to provide in your date of birth. You might also be asked to provide in your documents by taking a face verification or maybe uploading a photo and all that, and that's how you can create your Koho account. So in this way you can create your Koho account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.